When I think about in-school intervention, one of the things that I want us to remember is that we often have a lot of things at tier 1 to help kids. That's just what we do. 85% of our kids should be fine without any type of intervention or consequences. They should just do okay, just by the way we do school. And 20% of those kids are going to need another layer of intervention. Those are those tier 2s. Those 2 to 5% of those tier 3s, those kids that we kind of know right off the bat, they're going to need a much higher level of intervention, and we take care of them. So we often take care of the tier 3 and we take care of the tier 1. And we struggle because there's nothing in the middle. So we need a layer that's going to pick those kids up, keep them in school, because I can't do anything with you when you're out of school, and make it logical. So for example, why would I wait until a child's behavior becomes so significant and now they're bordering like a tier 3, and now we're doing, referrals for higher level intervention, when we may have actually been able to catch that if we had some sort of systematic approach. It's that extra layer that we catch those kids before they unravel too far. And also understand that classroom teachers, although we want them to be in charge of all the consequences for kids. So see, even if I have a child who's removed to go to the office for 5, if a teacher feels that they need to have a consequence, teachers should assign that. But at the next level, teachers can't do that because they still have classes to teach. And so if you have an in-school intervention that creates that middle layer of logical consequence, restorative practices, and intervention, then you have answered the call of how do I respond to behavior at a tier 2 and not react when it happens and go, what are we going to do now? We always have to remember that we have good goals, but we don't get there without a good system.